Hi, my name's Chris with Central Iowa Diesel. If you have a 6-liter, we're the people you need to take it to get it fixed. Some 6-liters have some problems. They've kind of had a bad reputation, but overall, they are a pretty good truck. Some of them need some upgrades done to them to make them a more reliable truck. For instance, this '05 6-liter that we've got right here, it needs head gaskets and an EGR cooler. The EGR cooler and head gaskets failed because of the oil cooler. The oil cooler got restricted. We were going to replace the EGR cooler with an upgraded bulletproof EGR cooler, and we were going to replace the cylinder head gaskets and upgrade the head bolts to ARP head studs. Along with that, we were going to replace that oil cooler. At the same time, while we have the engine tore apart, we're going to take the turbo apart and inspect it and clean out any coking or rusting and corrosion that could cause the turbo to stick and overboost, causing the problem to potentially come back again. The 6-liters also have some issues with fuel injectors. While we have this thing apart, we will give the customer an option to go ahead and do some upgrades there at that time too, to save them some money and not have to go back and spend money on labor again at a later time. By performing these upgrades on your 6-liter diesel engine, you should have a very reliable engine and will have very little problems in the future.